Hey everyone, कैसे हैं आप सब? I'm posting this video after around 8 to 9 months. I was going through some personal medical emergency, but now things have been sorted. I am trying कि अब बहुत frequently videos डालूं. तो आज जब मैंने decide किया कि video डालना है, I was looking for the topic and I thought I have one topic which I definitely wanted to share with you, my views, my thoughts, how to deal, what I think about it. Whenever we heard a term toxic, we get stressed out, we lose our emotional balance, we try to struggle. और जब ऐसा ही एक टॉक्सिक इंसान जब हमारी लाइफ में आता है, how your life gets disturbed, shattered, that is how you know how to deal with that. ऐसे ही टॉपिक पे आई वांट टू talk about like when you encounter that toxic person in the form of your manager in corporate, how you can deal with it. So वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिए and listen carefully. This is gonna definitely help you when you are in a corporate, you are a fresher or you're a senior. It is definitely help you how you deal with it. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, इन योर कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ टेन्योर कभी ना कभी आपको ऐसा कोई मैनेजर मिला होगा who has been very toxic, who has been very a challenging person to deal with, um, and you have been hearing a lot. But when it gets personal, जब वो आपके साथ टॉक्सिक है and somehow he is wanting you to resign, he is not treating you well, he is not giving you due respect, then that is a time where you need to be very uh, uh, cautious, like how to deal such scenarios. I personally have experienced that situation in my tenure. I made few mistakes and then I realized, I learned that what are certain do's that we should not be definitely doing. तो जब भी आपके साथ ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन है, you see a manager who is being toxic, who is treating you indifferently, क्या करना चाहिए? So first thing, what you should do is you should do a self assessment. When I say self assessment, meaning you assess yourself कि क्या वो आपके साथ ही है या is it a very normal behavior for manager with everyone. You can't take a wrong foot ahead कि आपके साथ ही हो रहा है, because it can be a very natural human tendency for that person. तो वो बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा, असेस करना पड़ेगा कि क्या वो आपके साथ है, एंड अगर वो आपकी असेसमेंट है कि वो आपके साथ ही है, वो बिहेवियर इनडिफरेंट, देन द फर्स्ट एंड foremost and the most important thing you need to do is you need to get emotional free, meaning आपको you have to get yourself detached with all the emotions. You need to be calm and composed. You need to control your emotional outburst in there. Now, you have to be very practical. You know that this is a situation, you have to face it, but उसमें you can't take any wrong decisions. So चाहिए, जब आपको पता है कि वो आपके साथ ही है, go set up a meeting invite, one-on-one talk to your manager, get a feedback, set the expectations right, ask him to send your performance goals over email, understand where are your improvement areas. Once, if you get a proper response to it, document it and send it as an MOM to him, that these are the discussion points, these are the improvement areas, this is the feedback you're going to literally work over a period of time, and document it. And that is very important because this is something you need to keep a record. From here on, you need to keep recording, you need to keep track, you need to keep everything recorded over email or somewhere, so that in the form of screenshots, so that at the end of the day you need to have a case with you that what went wrong. You need to capture all the instances. You need to, that when he was rude, he was not talking sense, or he was being irrational, something which is purposefully doing it, is criticizing you publicly, you need to keep a record of all those instances, so that at the end of the day, when things really go bad, you have your case with you. You can show that this is how it's been over a period of time I have been dealing with. And this is a very mentally disturbing for anyone. Now, when you have done this, the third thing you need to do is you should focus on your work. Try to be little more focused, little more diligent in your deliveries. Try to make no mistakes or very few mistakes. Review your work before sending it to him, and make sure, even if required, get it checked with someone else so that he can really give a second eye to it. अगर आपने ये किया है, and if you have a second person doing the same check, so you know that whatever the work you are sending, उसमें गलतियां नहीं होंगी. So आपको अपने एंड पे भी फोकस रखना पड़ेगा, and that is how you have to, you know how to deal with it. The next, you should avoid gossiping or डूइंग कंट्रोल योर इमोशनल बर्स्ट. और किसी से भी जाके आपको नहीं बात करनी है कि मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है या वो हो रहा है. गॉसिपिंग नहीं करनी, कंप्लेंट नहीं करना है. You should avoid it. Keep it yourself. Continue to do your work. Keep recording these stuff, instances, and all the scenarios. Keep making a note of it, so that. But if you are doing gossiping and everything, if something goes to the ears of the management, then you are in a wrong picture. So that is something you need to know, कि आपको गॉसिपिंग नहीं करनी है, आपको मैनेजर की बुराई नहीं करनी किसी के साथ जाके, टीम में पीयर लेवल पे कुछ पे नहीं, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो हाउ एनीवन इज गोना रिएक्ट, कौन जाके क्या बात कर रहा है, एंड यू ऑल नो हाउ कॉर्पोरेट पॉलिटिक्स वर्क्स. सो ये आपको बहुत चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंटली ध्यान रखना है. नेक्स्ट, अगर आपको फिर भी ये सब करते हुए आपको लग रहा है कि ये तो बहुत ज्यादा ही वॉन्ट्स यू टू रिजाइन, कि अब तो ये नहीं चाह रहा है कि मैं टीम में या प्रोजेक्ट पे रहूं, सो स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर अ इंटरनल जॉब ट्रांसफर, बिकॉज यू लाइक अ कंपनी बट it is the manager who is not treating you well. So see if you can take a internal job posting, internal transfers किसी और टीम में, where you can contribute equally and have your can meet your career goals as well. So there is no point continue to work under that manager. Talk to the HR. If you think that it is not resolving, it is not helping in any manner, go and talk to your manager, HR. Have a short discussion with him, with the HR, that this is what over a period of time, 6 months, 8 months, I have been witnessing this, I have been observing it. Now this is what something, it is now crossing the limit, the line. अब नहीं हो पा रहा है. I have been trying everything, but उसका जो मैनेजर है, टॉक्सिक बिहेवियर continues. He is not treating me, he is not behaving in a dignified manner. And HR would definitely take care of all those stuff. When you say that you're not being treated well, and you're going through a mental stress, and it's a very big buzzword when you say you have a mental stress, and HR is definitely going to take care of it. He is definitely going to talk to the manager that this is what they have heard. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आप अगर ये सोचते हैं कि चलने दो यार, मैं एचआर के पास नहीं जाऊंगा, या मैं मैनेजर को बाईपास करके सीनियर मैनेजर या लीडर पे नहीं जाऊंगा, then you are mistaken. You have to inform them what you are going through and how it is being done, because अगर आप नहीं जाएंगे तो वो डेफिनेटली जाएगा. ही विल डेफिनेटली पुट यू इन रॉन्ग स्पॉट, आपके अगेंस्ट कुछ ना कुछ कंप्लेंट करेगा, where you will think कि यार ये कैसे हो गया, and you have a complaint in front of you. Management आपके पास reach out करेगी that we have heard a wrong feedback about you, so we might initiate a PEF for you because the manager is not happy with you. नाउ अगर अब उस कंप्लेंट के बाद आप बोलेंगे कि नहीं मेरे साथ तो ये हो रहा था, इट वुड मेक अ वेरी लेसन, बिकॉज वो एक रिटेलिएशन है कि अच्छा मैनेजर ने कंप्लेंट करी, मैनेजर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर पेप, तो आप उसको रिटेलिएट कर रहे हो कि ये तो मेरे साथ ऐसे करता था। नो, इफ यू रियली वरिड और आप बिल्कुल परेशान हैं, it's your whole right to step up and talk to the HR, the management. be the initiator, initiate that discussion कि मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है and it's not a very favorable workplace that I can work. So वहां पे वो डिस्कशन होगा. If the manager has been talking to you in a very rude manner and you can whatever you can show present that this is what on this particular date he sent me a text note on Teams and